Hi friends, today I have a concept through which we can strengthen our national security, especially from airborne attacks. So let us see the concept. So this is what called as the stealth sky mine concept. It is to be used during wartime only. Its objective is to protect ourselves from any flying object like fighter planes, drones and other unidentified flying objects, or say UFO. It can be of the following types. The first one is controlled through artificial intelligence, second one is uncontrolled, and third one is dummy without having any explosive or grenade inside it and can attain more height. Its features are it can dominate the sky within troposphere. With high-end stealth technology, it will be very difficult to trace by radar. A combination of different shapes and sizes can make it more deadly and lethal. A wave of 1 lakh or more stealth sky mines controlled through artificial intelligence will work as a strong barrier against enemy forces. The explosive or grenade inside each stealth sky mine can be triggered by various means and can make it too complex and unstoppable. It will receive signals from satellites and ground stations only. So let us see the concept. This is AI controlled stealth sky mine. It is having bidirectional rotors, explosive or grenade inside its core, battery and electronics components to operate and receive signals. These are all these small spots are in fact bubble wrap filled with helium or hydrogen gas. Then this one is controlled stealth sky mine. Instead of bidirectional rotors, it is having triangular hooks. So it is having triangular hook. So whenever any flying object will come across, it will hook that flying object and then explode. And it is having electronics component to trigger the explosive and grenade. The next one is dummy stealth sky mine. Dummy means there is having no payload. It is densely packed helium and hydrogen bubbles that will expand later on. So when it will go up in the air, it will expand gradually. Then it is stealth, rigid and lightweight material to absorb radar signals. This material will be stealth material. And especially this diamond shape means it will scatter the radar signal from any enemy ship, and it will make it more stealth and more complex. And this is how it will work, the working of stealth sky mine. So these are some stealth sky mine with rotors, means it is controlled through artificial intelligence. This one, these are all controlled through artificial intelligence. This one also. And these are uncontrolled, means hook type structure, like this hook type structure. And some are dummy. So whenever any flying object, to demonstrate I make a fighter plane. Whenever any fighter plane will come across this zone, it will not trace this stealth sky mine through its radar, and it will hit those stealth sky mine on sky. And whenever those turbines of those fighter airplane will get in contact, or the entire ship will get, or the fighter plane will get in contact with these sky mines, it will explode. So artificial intelligence will help it more complex and make the fighter plane to get away either from this zone, or if that fighter plane dare to enter into this zone, then 100% it will blast. And this is how we can defend our national security. So this is all about stealth sky mine. I hope you like this video. If you like, then do subscribe my channel and like, share these videos. And thanks for watching this video.